How can you let an AI work for you in a safe sandbox without ever interrupting your primary workflow? This question touches the core of our daily battle as developers against context switching. The classic scenario is needing to pause a long-running feature to handle an urgent bug fix. Now, generative AI takes this challenge to a whole new level. The goal is to work in parallel with an AI assistant, delegating an independent task, letting it run safely in its own environment while your own environment remains completely untouched. Traditionally, achieving this level of isolation required stashing your changes and switching the branch, or cloning the repository again into a second directory. Stashing can be uncomfortable. You need to stash local changes, switch the branch, later switch back to the previous branch and unstash the previous changes. And cloning is inefficient. It duplicates the entire .git database, and changes must be manually synchronized between the two clones. There is a more efficient and elegant solution: Git Worktrees. Worktrees allows you to check out different branches simultaneously from one single repository into their own worktree directories, sharing the same underlying administrative data. Creating a new worktree. In SmartGit, creating a worktree is straightforward. From your repository, go to Repository in Menu, then click Add Worktree. Here, you can select the branch you need to work on. For example, a branch created from main for a hotfix, and specify a separate directory for this new worktree. SmartGit will then check out the branch into that location. You now have two independent working directories, connected to a single, shared repository, allowing you to work on both tasks without compromise. Seamless context switching. SmartGit makes managing multiple worktrees seamless. The log graph will clearly indicate which branches are checked out in other worktrees. If you attempt to switch to one of these branches, SmartGit will not fail. Instead, it will open the correct worktree, providing a safe and intuitive workflow. The power of a shared history. The key benefit of worktrees is the shared repository data. Any commits or changes made in one worktree, such as your hotfix commit, are immediately visible and accessible in all other worktrees. This eliminates the need to push and pull between separate clones, ensuring your repository state is always consistent. Housekeeping. When a task is complete, a worktree can be cleanly removed. Use repository, remove worktree, to delete the worktree and its associated data from within SmartGit. If you have already deleted the directory manually, you can use repository, prune obsolete worktrees to remove any lingering internal references. By using Git Worktrees in SmartGit, you can elevate your workflow, manage complex scenarios with ease, and maintain a clean, efficient, and perfectly synchronized repository. So go ahead and give it a try. SmartGit is free for open source, academic, and hobby use.